There we go. Road trip. Let's do it. All right. Boom!
All right, warehouse.
Whoa! Look at this place.
Random. I'm like out of breath.
Dude, my heart is pumping, bro.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God, dude.
Nothing fucking fits. Everything's wrong. That bad boy.
Oh my God. Whoa! What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house, and today is very special. We're up in Valdosta, Georgia at Steeda. We're gonna be installing some awesome products on our 2024 Mustang GT. That's the Stop the Hop kit, as well as their linear drag springs, as well as we're gonna do an awesome tour of their facility and check out what goes on behind these doors. So it's great to be up here. This is my first time visiting the new Steeda facility. I've known them for many years. They actually did some installs on my 2003 Cobra back in the day. They saved me when I totally stripped the bolt in my head. Thank you very much. That's my man, Sam Corey. Scott Boda was down there as well. And now they're up here at this awesome facility. These guys have gained so much traction in the S550 market, as well as now the S650 market. So it's great to be up here and do this install with them, get the parts on the car, and I'm gonna take it down the strip. Dude, I'm so happy. I'm so happy about this,
right?
man.
It's cool.
Yeah, dude.
It's cool.
It feels really good, man.
Yeah.
It feels great. What's up? Seriously, this is like amazing. I'm here with Scott Boda, world-renowned drag racer, Steeda parts master. We're up here in Valdosta, Georgia at the facility. We're gonna be doing the parts on the car here. Scott's gonna take us for a little tour. But
yeah, let's do it. Mustang King in the house.
It's a great feeling.
I love it.
It's an awesome brand, great people, man.
Yes.
And like, you know, for you guys that don't know, Scott's from down in my area. And I've known you forever since I was bringing my Cobra down here for a long time. We have a lot of mutual friends and stuff. It's great to see what Steeda has become as well. I mean, Steeda was always a huge brand. But over the years, when you started racing like the Silver Bullet, like in 2018 and stuff, like it kind of shifted a little bit, seeing like the, you know, the brand change from more like road course stuff.
Correct.
To drag racing, which is like, you know, what we are pretty much all about. So
like to show that our product can do it all, right?
Yeah.
From your weekend warriors, going to car shows, road racing, but then we proved it on the Silver Bullet and get down that 1320 pretty darn quick. And at the end of the day, we want to make go fast parts, make them right here in Valdosta, Georgia. So super happy to have Jared and the guys at Lethal on board promoting the brand now.
Long time coming, man. It's good.
We're going to have them on all their S650s. So
exactly, yeah. Not only we're doing our GT manual car, our premium car, we're also going to be doing the Steeda stuff on our Dark Horse with a handling package, which is actually in production right now. So I guess we'll be back up here shortly once that car shows up. Yeah,
a little different model with that one, right? We're going to go more towards handling, making a corner real good. So I think we got our dual rate springs lined up for that. And this one's getting that Whipple, isn't it?
This is getting, well, the other one's going to get a Whipple too.
Of course.
Whipple the world, baby. It is so great to be up here, and I'm excited. We're going to have an awesome time, very laid back. We'll take a walk around the facility, show me around a little bit, and then we'll come back, do the install, talk to you guys about the parts, and we'll then go ahead. I mean, this thing definitely needs some springs in general. I mean, car looks awesome, but it's definitely got quite a bit of gap in there.
Yes.
You know, and we got to get it ready for the drag strip with the Whipple on it. So we need those supporting mods.
Heck yeah.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Show me around, bro.
You got it.
It's unreal. Georgia.
Great customer of ours out of the Carolinas. You see our Road Race K member underneath it. IRS braces. Just put a 5.2 illuminator in this. Like I said, he trails it down from the Carolinas, beats the poop out of this car. Motor was eventually tired, so yeah, 5.2 illuminator going in that car. So we're kind of doing the tour backwards, but yeah, another customer car. There's your 1314 GT500.
Yeah, was in my opinion the best GT500 until 2020, 2022. Yes. Although people will argue the fact that that car is a manual and the DCT makes the 2020 and up kind of but I beg to differ on that one.
Yeah, that's awesome. But yeah, the new ones
ridiculous.
Once the chassis went to an S550, I tell people all the time, it went to an all-world car, right? Got the independent rear.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't know, so when the S197s came out, apparently the Ford engineers had a BMW M3 for a couple years, and they were told, make this car handle like an M3. The whole front suspension of an S197 is modeled after a BMW
Is it really?
M3.
Look at that.
That's why they handle so good.
You learn something new every day. Tricks of the trade here from a veteran like Scott. It's great. Come on, guys. Let's go check it out.
Powder coating area.
Powder coating.
So
neat.
You got some drag K members back there. Grind, sandblast. We do a phosphate bath outside and steam wash. Then we'll spray the parts. Those are those Moroso overflow tanks. Hang them on the rack. Throw them in the oven. 425 degrees. 17 minutes later, they come out of the oven and they're looking good. This was the biggest expansion of Steeda when we moved to Valdosta, was increasing our machining capability. So you see the raw material over here, getting ready to get cut into length on the automatic chop sauce.
Bars, baby. Look at that.
The Haas mills we brought up with us, the older two Moris we brought up with us, and then 2 Mazak milling machines and 2 other Mori turning centers. Here's all your raw chips coming out of here.
Yeah.
Send that off, get that all recycled. One of the cooler parts I love to talk about is our camber arms for the S650, right? You got a lot of keyboard engineers out there, right? But what we do whenever Ford changes the chassis on something, we'll actually take the factory part and send it out to a lab and get it destroyed to see where it breaks. But as a lot of people know, when Ford came with the S550, this was a forged steel arm. Well, why the heck is a forged steel arm? It didn't break till 14,000 pounds.
Wow.
We only got a 4,000 pound car. So we tried tubular steel versions. They were only good to 7,000, 8,000 pounds. Came up with a billet aluminum, 6061, billet 4130 chromoly, threaded insert, heat treated adjuster. We make it all in house. But
that's awesome.
Start off with that bad boy.
Oh my God. Whoa. Wow, that's nice, dude.
And about
that's a chunk right there, dude.
14 minutes, you end up with that.
Beautiful piece.
It doesn't even feel the same.
Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Give it a cute little kiss. Oh man, look how beautiful. That's a really nice looking part though, man.
But you see how much material gets hogged off of it? Like I said, we run it on the
it's crazy.
Mazak there. It's got a tombstone on the outside and one inside. So while it's making parts inside the machine, the operator's changing parts here on the outside. One good thing about Dario, he's always wanted to try to bring other processes in-house. Sway bars, right? We want to start making sway bars in-house. One of the things he wanted to do was go with a billet steel end. We didn't want to do it like some of the other companies where they take the tubular steel, heat it up really hot.
Like crunch it?
Yep, smash it and pop holes in it.
Yep.
Everything we make here is a lifetime warranty. Doesn't matter what you do to the car. So we knew that we had to have a stronger sway bar end. Yeah. So that's billet 1018 steel, made right here on the turning center.
Wow, dude.
And this is going to be for that rear S550, S650 rear sway bar. So efficiency is the name of the game. It's one of the reasons we came to Valdosta, Georgia. All these machines got bar feeders. So once again, materials in here, it gets fed into the machine. You see your list of program codes as it's machining them. These Delrin bushings for your vertical links, right? Camber arms, things like that. Literally
all cut. Goes in as like a bar and gets cut.
And drops down in here. Your different travelers for your different jobs, just waiting for machine time to open up.
Boom!
All right, warehouse.
Whoa! Look at this place.
Look at all this floor space. So much aerobics in here. So many activities.
This is unreal, man.
So yeah, this is assembly. All their finished goods up on the racks. Cold air kits, lowering springs, strut tower braces, sway bars, control arms, other different chassis components.
Yeah, and just don't mind all the Mustangs laying around here, you know, like one after another lined up.
Thankfully we have room.
Yeah, look at that.
But yeah, engineering, purchasing, prototyping, all happens in the office there. I guess we're kind of just
I'm just like,
all right, so
I'm like being drawn towards the cars. Look at that.
So these are mostly customer cars. This customer's got an Edelbrock blower on it. This is our in-house test, EcoBoost. We call it kind of the GT350 Killer. Perfect 50 to 50 weight ratio. Stock turbo, just intercooler, suspension, full exhaust, big brakes. That was at Mustang Week giving a bunch of rides.
Squared up too, man. It was squared up with those wheels, man.
Yeah,
big, big old wheels and tires in the front too. What year is this car? What year?
So this is a 2015. It's been our test mule since it was brand new. It has 28,000 very, very hard miles on it. Currently, it's a full bolt-on stock turbo car. It makes about 335 horsepower to the wheels, about 400 torque.
It sounds great though, man. It's got a good, nice little whistle to it. Do you do a lot of road course stuff yourself, personally, or
a lot of autocross, a little bit of road course?
Okay.
But this has been a really fun car to develop. Our adjustable rear ride height kit. That's one of our hardcore kits we offer. You can not only adjust the rear ride height on these S550s, but also easily swap out springs trackside. So if you're, you know, adding aero to the car, making changes to the car, and you want to be able to easily swap out your rear springs while you're at the track without having to do an alignment, that's possible with the system. So.
Oh my God, dude. Oh. Like crazy. It feels like man, being on like a road course when I did that thing with Billy Johnson in the GT500, man. It just grips, dude. Professional driver, closed course only, right? Drive, man. You're all right.
Thank you.
Damn. See, I couldn't do that. I don't have it in me. Dude, this is a 4-cylinder Mustang EcoBoost that performs like unbelievable.
To put it in perspective, Glenn ran I'm like out of breath.
Dude, my heart is pumping, bro.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God, dude. That's
Glenn,
all you do is laugh.
Glenn ran this car out at Sebring a few months ago because we've got some experimental parts on here we're testing. And
top secret, huh?
Top secret. It's coming down the pipe.
All right.
Slowly but surely. But again, we want to test and validate these parts, break them as many times as we possibly can so we can make sure it's perfect for the consumer. And anyways, this car ran a 230 at Sebring, and obviously Sebring's wide open. It's a very fast track. It's also well known for a lot of parts validation. I mean, shoot, Ford Performance was testing the GT3 and GT4s out there, right? So this ran a 230. But what blows my mind, and obviously it's a testament to Ford and the new 24, Glenn just took out our white GT performance package car, MT82.
I saw you guys just had it out there.
Bone stock ran a 230.
That's incredible.
Bone stock. And this is everything we could possibly throw in an EcoBoost.
Yeah. It shows what, you know, the capabilities I mean, dude, new cars are sick. This thing is ridiculous though, dude. I can't even, I'm still kind of like shocked at this car. Dude, I had no idea you could drive like that, man. Kudos to you, bro.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Our CNC tube bender that we acquired right before we moved up to Valdosta, but this allows us to do all of our sway bars, strut tower braces, IRS braces, all right here in-house. In fact, here's a pallet full of S650 front sway bars. We get it pre-cut to length, that way we don't have to worry about any scrap. You think we do some IRS braces? So these boxes are just your IRS brace components.
Wow.
So, trick new piece, we'll release this probably the next week or two.
Look at that.
This is going to be the new 4-point G-Track brace for the S650s. They made the transmission cooler massive on these, so instead of coming straight across, we had to do this big bend here, and yeah. So this production.
Wow. So this has that been put out there yet?
No. That's
look at that, guys. Seen it here first.
Exclusive.
Look at that.
Tubular front K members. Those are the drag race variety. We actually build it on a dedicated table, a dedicated jig just for it. All the different factory mounting points because you don't want anything to shift or move while you're welding it. So,
it's a ghost.